Here's how to make all photos the same length in CapCut. So the first step is to open up CapCut, then you just have to click on settings in the top right corner and then go to settings again. Now after we do that, we're gonna have to go to edit, and as you can see we have image duration. So by default it's 5 seconds, so if you want you can make this 10 seconds and then click on save. Now after that you can open up your project and then we can simply go. So as you can see, these ones are 5 seconds. So let me remove them. Now, if we go and we import new photos, new images, we'll have them and basically it will be 10 seconds. Now, what you can do also is that you can basically select all of them. Now, keep in mind that you just have to turn off the magnet from here, and then you can basically resize them all at once and make them the same length. You just have to select them, but the best way is to play around with the settings and set up a default image duration, so you don't have to select all of them at once and then again drag and drop them. So basically that's all you have to do. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.